Next on the tee, this exceptional individual is widely regarded as the benchmark for multi-sport athletes. He won the Heisman Trophy, played for the Raiders, the Kansas City Royals, the Chicago White Sox, and the California Angels. He was the first person to be an all-star in football and baseball. Please welcome the amazing Bo Jackson!
People ask me, do I watch what I used to do? I said, no, it's too much like work. So if I'm watching sports, it's usually golf. When I was playing sports, my definition of golf was, that's a lazy man sport. There's no contact, there's no running, there's no nothing, so I don't like it. The closer I got to getting out of baseball back in the mid-90s, my buddy hounded me to go out to the driving range with him to hit balls. And I finally broke down and went with him one day. I hit a bucket of about 150 balls. I only had a 7-iron. I'm trying to hit the 150 mark. Couldn't hit it to save my life. Couldn't even put it on the green. And the last ball I hit, it bounced once and hit the flag and stopped about 2 inches. And I was hooked ever since. This is a mental game between you and the ball. It's like chess. I am more tired mentally after a round of golf than I am if I played a football game on Sunday. After the game, I left it at the ballpark. Went home, did things with my family, and never thought about it again. But here, I go home, I wake up in the middle of the night to go get some water or go to the bathroom, and I still got that shot on my mind where I either shanked a ball and it went in somebody's house, or I shanked a ball and it went in the lake and it caused me to lose to my buddy. You just can't get rid of those thoughts until you get back out and create new problems, new thoughts. I decided to get involved with inner city youth, to take kids off of the streets, to try to help mentor kids from the inner city. I had my first annual Give Me a Chance Foundation golf tournament last year at a golf course called Old Oak. It was owned by former professional boxer Joe Louis. 100% of the proceeds go to the Give Me a Chance Foundation. I wish I had someone doing the things that my foundation is doing right now for me when I was a kid. Not saying that I was out there running amok because my mom kept a tight leash on me, but the things that we are doing right now, it is benefiting a lot of kids. The best part of my game is when I put my clubs in my trunk and go home. I love the game. I work at it constantly. Sometimes I can go out and play decent. I've gotten my handicap down to the single digits. And sometimes I go out and I just plain suck. It's an ongoing battle.